Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin now. Locate the device MAC address in its network settings or on the device label, because the MAC is the identifier you will register. Next, log into the router admin panel using the router IP and credentials. You need admin rights to change MAC filters. Finally, decide whether to whitelist this MAC only, assign a static IP, or place it in a specific VLAN. Each choice alters access and security, so pick the method that matches your policy. Once done, navigate to the router's Security, Access Control, or MAC Filtering section and choose the Whitelist or Allow List option. This blocks all unregistered devices. Add the MAC in the exact format the router requires. Mismatches will fail. Make sure to pair the MAC entry with a static IP reservation or quality of service rule if you want consistent addressing or prioritized bandwidth. Also, configure schedules or VLAN membership now if you need time-based, or save or apply the changes, then reboot the router if the interface recommends it. This ensures the new MAC rules are active. Reconnect the device and confirm it receives the reserved IP and has internet. Use ping or load a site to validate. If the device is still blocked, check common issues. MAC typed incorrectly, another device using the same address, client-side MAC randomization enabled, or firmware quirks. Update firmware and disable randomization on the device to fix most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.